Honorable, I said, what you are trying Honorable, did you madam? Mary Diabo be at you. A go Vincent. A Marco. Aye, says why no fanboy of parliament. A call lawyer. Is it as what GM people learn in our a call lawyer? A call school. Will your anchor hold or firm remain? We have an anchor that keeps the soul steadfast and sure was the billows roll. Fast into the rock which cannot move, grounded firm and deep in the Savior's love. Ejira, so I said, I know me Pia Cresiali tomb. I honorable Sampiali. His Excellence me Pia tomb. I've been as a case to oh, brother, my why say? Is a custom scenario, I mean, a degree. I custom the only politician. And he may train. May John Dumalu. Say John Dumalu, I'm a cat. Go be. I'm on to say. Ghana for 1 year. I go to Yanko. Ghana for no. What's it? Impinting. Nani impinting. Impintino ya bomba eye amanhene na nya manhene bia na ya bomba no oba eye akona me manhene ya bom pintin ma no na se kire wo ho it is obi hu odin se pintin a na na pintin na se me hwese amanhene fo no wo mo bom pintin ni ade ne nya mu nyina na ya bom pintin ni machi flowers for ne nkan na flowers for what's the flower out? Ajay na ayi denchira ani agona twaka ho na eno no aye komfo anoche aye ko feyi ase na anoche komfo wo ye no agona manhene ne wo ba na ban edi na chi wo bo me na chene so eno na se kire ho obi na yanka ento manfo ni tirim se akanfo nyina ya de baako tie de meka yi amema mo say education dek akanfo nyina de baako agosua tie nie obi ye kani wo aya rabra obi ye kani wo fantemam obi ye kani wo ye bono obi ye kani wo jamai ahafo ni nyina de baako na ye de politics ba ye no ana wo maya so mo betitim na ye communist inferior tactic it wa hwa we no wo mo yese ene ye the other accounts versus Asante Anyasa, Wamubu, Libya Sandy, Eti Fantini Niane Santini, Na Santini Niane Jamai, Bununi Niane, Nanka Eden and Adomahin, what's a domado wow, Niniani Agugu, and Yaniana Agugu Mahini Yedinia, Eti Agugu Fona Wohonina, Muniana Domahine, and Asachil and say, Eden and Adomahin Tidoa, Niniani Asumenia for, a dientia, Eden and Domahine Tidoa. What to do? Nani Niani Aquamuhina, Aquamuhina, what top of here, Doma Hiniano. What do you wonder? I don't know, Sinia, a Yamoja. If it's Omunina, Yadriana 4, 81st, and Agosia, Nakaba Waria, Adriana Nini, Adriana Nimware, Tianio. If says will be a rabra, you could know rabra, Mimiano. A Yamocha Bakunipo, a Yafumba Kuna war, are you Kufonina? Now, are you Kufon Cradie? Wamone a corner, Efra de Baku, it's your Adako and a corner. It is all your corner near Mimiano. Now, a Yafumba Kumune Mupaimi and Salam. The entire Pimi and San said, a corner for no macrabois, and a year core and woman tree. Tenio, when you a bit of history, number and then Yadiano, my Munchiana, why? I come phoning in Adebaco, to when you are Yadiano Quano, a quite be a fast so I see Muya Tiano, this against that, yes, a Quambis. I come phoning in a Fantifon in Adebaco, is a man Adebaco, Nina, come phoning in all over Ghana, Adebaco. I danger for ya. Come here, Omo nyina. Eti wo ye ni ade no eko na no. Wo makra boa ne ko. Ana wo mo ye ne yekɔ yesi me anweko na ye no ye so de nti ayekofo yesi ye pento kwa ne se ye hunters by nature ni akɔ nwura mu aba ni akɔ kum ye ɛko aba wo se da bia ma anwe wo ma anwe de ne sei ye gya ne suo na gya hɔ etie ne ye ɔmo da ho ma ade akye ye ye kɔ ye ayekɔbɔ ama ne se ne enka tete so ayi ni hɔ ni ye kɔ ne se mo no amokɔ he ma mo nkɔ yo se ye bɛwe Womore ko ni wie ni etwa wo masunti obi a oye yokoni bia no edi ne nya oyokoni eye awekoni na corruption of phonetics language corruption ana awekofo abeye ayokofo enye ayokofo awekofo na omo da ho ma de achi ni etwa wo masusu omo so nko no adako abusua no etu obi ye ko na ni wo ye yokoni wo ye adako ni eye ade baako sa na obi ye aduanani e wodoma no ye aduanani ewo aidenkyira wo ye aduanani wo fantemam wo mo nyina mogya baako na nam omumu edi first no obi ye aduanani wo denkyira ukofa no ba ye ma anware no se aduanani hye ma mo nware ene mra nkyere ma ba wa mu nsua wo nyina da ti yuko ne yuko aware mogya o mogya baako na omo de politics na ba no omo titi mu nkrum ti akọ ese doma ata asante na asante tan doma ba ye ni bibia e fra ne doma etina fa asante ahenie no kura na edi animu a eba no twumantwi kobia mamfi woti akante obiri ebo a wo mo nyina na omo ya ayeko hene etina doma ahene di doma ahene enso wo se me ye aduana piesi adan wo di kuro doma so na stela no wo peso wo press wo ye aduana bi se aduana ne ya busua kakraka Demi kari say asachiri eye etobi asachiri ni ewo ayi fante obi asachiri ni wodoma obi asachiri ni ayi asachiri ewo ayi denkyira ni nua ni asachiri fo mu waka mamu nyina moja baako wo mo de politics die mu etimi miti ayi aduana na yiko na wo mie tie ni o eti se me papa ye aduana ni a me du doma himfie se ma baby da if se papa na di hine wo ho tie de me kai me duru agogo a betimi atena ayi na ayi ogoma hine metimi akwa sapo metimi akotena na so winsi efam papa no na ne fa bia ya de ne no ayi politics ni ade attitude na medru na agogo man hine medru akomu man hine medru nanimu a enam se me ya aduana ni ba ne ntino metimi tena na so adije me adwodwo me ho efsa aduana na wo mia na ya no metena mesen so metimi mesen so eti yanya ne yan kai ho if say you free to atempo wo mo the politics ni divide no mo share the rule yeba yanka ye ho why aduana fo nyina ye nipa baako eti busa wo no ne busa na wo ma me say ye bonton bai na ye wonton and ye wa busua tie de meka yi obu ho se me bonton ye bonton ko eye eja fm ni abo busua aba na fm eti metie me bo eye yuko abusua if say me ma me ye yuko ni fra Santiago na mo me bo aduana nton eti nkuro ne ade ne ye ni agade ye nhia we nyina ye awrade amra nkyere ma ba we mo yira o ti na mo didi mo ho atam no na wodi na tanim se onua no aduana ni no owo wrawra na onua no hey Obi wamuni mo asuna busua de ho wo yes asuna ni a baabi a wo bia wo nua ne asuna ni o baabi a eye obaba ko na wo mu nyina obaba ko ye mu ade na muni mu ntia na mo ware mu yi afa mu didi mu atem afa obeti be bo se aduana ni nso wodi aduana ni atem mentimi si na adom ahina mfie mu otimi nya hwe wo le hwe obeye mesi an mfie hwe ni ho eti mumye nsua we ni anyira mfiri ho we ya education o yanko back say gura no hwe aside say me de mara na mamo ni ade say me ba me sa de mako ni akwa akosua ba why dem say mo ho ba bia mu fira o mba politics na mo anyira why no mo titi mumu o na say we ya wo swai ko na me ko ha ni ade ni ayi wo be swa ko na nua no aka no mo nswa ko o mo so yes sir akamfo nkan yehumum why titimu no adoso enke yehumum ni anyama ne yefe Obi fire bend the political class woni omo yenti segregation esa no divide and rule communist inferior tactics nti yanka ye ho Kofi e de na sie yanko yanim akosua tum
na chanchan de pene ha
chanchan e de na sie ai chanchan bo open ha na ke ye de nyende omu yom se ni ontimi ntwenta internet ni boa ya den so we no so na we ne senya na e de na sie mun so light bi afedi ye we no ho na no mai
am I bright
so timi hwa no kutu jedwa ene mun resume Katin Reza Dani resume
na sendie ya bambo fui
ene na si
Dani na
Bamboni
Hey, fatu achi. Hey, fatu achi.
Omuana wedi. Omua, Bobby. Na wedi ade. We protocol ngolangwa.
Na kasa de wa ina le twa. It is a big ko.
Omua, de wa me baba go. Ayi edi ni bakro.
Sa.
Protocol wa go.
Dani zango bio. Ada de na si ho.
No hine won hwe.
Ade.
Obi achichiri leso.
Wa chichiri lace.
Kindagati akola.
Asa de.
Kindagati akola.
Kindagati ni akola.
Dani hwe.
Ani ye de ya.
Ye hwe ni nimu wa yo ni jina hwe ne ya bia.
Hwe ne ya bia ne. Wa no no. Ewa. We ni pa mun se sa we se de ni tri aye round oni kon oni we
je ni shoeless
eni shoe adani fa ni shoe ni ba me hwe
ase kinagati
Dani biem
kolam
Dani biem
asiato
very nice
hwe ne ka ki trousers
nega ki na so de ope papa
Mujiri presuri yangu ya ni na mara doso. We have an uncle da. Yamfo kuja to ayi no enhyase. Na enanu yebedi nkomo ni bebre. Govi. Ena nkomo yebedi ni baako. Efa eye okuja travel like honorable minister for foreign affairs and I use my foreign affairs. It looks like he is still in a campaign mode. Me sure say say den fa entity kakra mu na ohunu Vienna Convention on diplomacy and Yama Bebre diplomatic relations and and I've told you people that I'm a diplomatic expert. I have masters in diplomatic relations. So when somebody does something which breaches diplomatic the confines of diplomacy as a minister, we must draw his attention to it. And today I'm going to school Okuja to Black House Adiana Wayeno. Yes, Okuja to say Angrophobia scam. A friend is a consular of Washington, Ghana, U.S. a consular of Washington. It was closely consular in Adam. So it's like telling me, say, Obia scam or Ministry of Information and a Ministry of closely ministry. I mean, are you normal? What kind of diplomacy is this? So when they best school you could we will the tenets of the diplomacy. How if you are and you are the number one diplomatic agent of the nation by virtue of you being the foreign affairs minister. So the way you behave, the way you go about doing things, there must be some diplomacy well enshrined in it. And say, oh, number could you union read Vienna Convention on diplomatic relations. Obetimi akwa pebi no aye. Well read Vienna Convention on consular relations as well. Neko pebi read and they me no ka say. When him said by virtue of Adiana Wayen, your friend be persona non grata. You better educate people on that. And when you are declared persona non grata by your own home state, what the other states, the host nation will do, we will come and we will educate you for free. General, you free horse. You say government and they say, the constitution cannot find you. And I keep on educating the people. And it's a deliberate attempt for the people to know the law. It's in Nenubeheni see and Okatakyie Afrifa Rambo style. And Obeheni see Okatakyie in team for you. And you read dental kumiho. You ko to me home. At the end of constitution, are people criminals by virtue of you presuming that they are criminals? What is the position of the law? What is the presumption of the law? How does the law tells you to treat others? So we are a nation of laws. We've said it. Continuously we are telling you that we are a nation of laws. Jungle. So what does the constitution say about the processes I will be? Now, so be true petition ko baby if anybody feels that they have been defamed, you see a repeatedly criminal libel law. So now libel and slander, it is no more criminalized. It becomes a defamation suit. So if you think your rights as a citizen, you've been defamed, the courts have made it available. So no seeking for your reliefs. How then do we still criminalize speech? How then do we still criminalize writing? Do we still have slander and libel in our laws? We will ask those questions. It's your friend on tour. Kofi, we are no. And Pennyfo can you cook man Feriso between Feriso the and I want to sound a warning to people that I Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah. I don't think anybody should see me as a weak character. One me ya dia me ma bre na mama bre na mama bre e pese wo sesan wadwene e se me ran konwada mu a me bompa e kire me nyankopon wi a na me bompa e sere na nanu mu wi a de me katwa to se nipa bonefo a ope me seye omuntu no fu no nyai me nsewo at once e se me wadwen pa manipa Nemo si etu ofua na so so ntia ekura betongum adwonbone e ba ekura tirimu a ohwire hu aboso atozo minim tia de beche beko na wo 1 and 9 ni ade ababa wa bi shade bi aso ne akoye otia bruchiri amatela ano mo ye na meka chom say you are forcing me to do things. I think at this point nipa bonefo nya na adwene se obesesa. So we are going to show evidence upon evidence upon evidence. And now my lawyer ni Peter Okuja to be frame any ade say Messi wa ye dia be na me say lawyer ni a wo tworo krata wo ni letter lawyer ni be no was say chambers ni wo enti was say me retract and apologize me ko Afrifa retract and apologize for that munya rough no we no so o mako nwura medical council for ne say o mo meka say ade no mo kan ye it is within the confines of Ghanaian laws. So but I am saying it on authority without fear without favor saying that me sa baba one your friend and Delhi and the diankasa the anasansa Delhi ni do nya 2019 ya onya Doctor Bebia wo wiase and I'm going to prove to you sa Bebia mo hunu say aya wo yes ani ade now or you criminal tie dem kan yi she's been criminalized. In fact she's been ya china to mu US 2007 2008 the records are there o wi a ye besa mamo e free na de ko one Kevin Taylor. When I thought say be or informant ma Kevin Taylor kekeno so actually omo date one Kevin Taylor nyine date the romantic messages between them we will show it to the people. Now leave it and let's come adia one Kevin Taylor eye wo ayi NDC ni panimu bi nanu ya say one ne koye ABC and D e ma ne ko wie say na wo ye ne wo mo de camera si so no wo de koye say no wo pay $100,000 any ade we are going to show you back to back what this girl is doing, and it's so criminal that on a pennyfo be the bonny ukruma more police for pennyfo we will show all of that. And then baby I remember see a big display on your doctor baby she's not she's never been to any medical school. She's never been now in the kitchen Anna would Gina said minim swane Kevin Taylor no kitchen or more yet there and the bachelor, while kitchen near the another boy, Hannah William, and the bachelor of Quay of Fasua, or Sako, you could will be a hospital and you now all pose ye, your friend hospital be a wealth health to say, now a Dali family medical center, Tiedino, Dali family medical center. And I was in the Dindi and Dalinti. Or share that code general opposite. And we will show all of them. Oh, we are no Osaya romance scam. Jamaican ye. What me pretend this one yam. No, they are just careful. Remember, $100,000, $200,000. We're going to prove all of that. And we are going to go like my catcher, you better be it. I don't care anymore. Because on and winning seven previous I mean not trapping. And I'm passes that document no they come out police for say make every farmer sextorting. It was edited. And this girl is the queen of editing. Technology. And you be in technology. What was that the last week? Your children was editing. I share. Well you what they and then Babaka we will watch it. So you know I am starting from Kujet. So I woke up to the news that Honorable Kujet to Blakwa I say Ghana for our more consular, a Ghanaian consulate. You can't consular no by diplomatic relations, you know. So no mind be would check out. Esa with me any nipaninya ayonkofebi. It said the US for or more embassy. So mostly either you qualify yours as consular or embassy. Any one of them. So yes, a Ghana embassy in US shut down over corruption scandal. Is Okuja to black normal? Like honorable minister, with the greatest of respect, are you normal? You shut down a whole. So it's like saying let's shut down the government of Ghana because there is corruption. Because Oko a consular. Embassy. It is presumed that it is the government of Ghana in that nation. It is a woody bonibi. Nasi ye pawacho. Na ujania huri even Ghana embassy no. A walla. The walls of Ghana. Per Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations. A warning na ye Ghana. Oko Italy. Baby even the ambassador on it. It is not considered Italy. Baby ambassador here. It is not considered America. Baby ambassador here, Ghana ambassador here, England. It is not considered England. Ghana. By diplomatic relations, baby a Ghana as consular na embassy biano, and by diplomatic relations, a buy now or Cosiano, say America, say Ghana, only can be as without their permission. It's Ghana embassy in Washington, US embassy, a US government. We need to be biasura a embassy because that place is considered a Ghanaian soil, though it's US.
Exactly.
So Oko a embassy, do they issue only visas? No, they don't issue only visas. Beyond issuance of visa. It is a Okuja Tobe Kachere say. A year obi ako create website. Our website, you know. Oh yeah, a lead to an only website. And for that matter, we'll closely a year the whole embassy down. Come and tell us that no person will use a microphone flow because we did show me MPP for. Now person don't crow for sure. Don't come and tell us. And on top of it, he's declared. All of them say they should come back home and declare them persona non grata. So when we say somebody has been declared as persona non grata, it means on the home state, you know. So there be a home state and a host state. So Ghana is a home state for a year the embassy of US and US a year the host state. Now when you declare one kasa, there is diplomatic immunities. Obi a diplomatic agent. Say we year ambassador. Say we year more consulate. They are immune from even Bonis or Bonia. They cannot be tried in that state. They must be brought back to Ghana by virtue of their diplomatic immunity. So the moment you declare those people persona non gratis, what you have told the host nation is that those people, you don't care about them anymore.
Exactly.
So how can a foreign minister be so reckless? Say you born in the world say you da sorry. Foreign minister say who corruption war a foreign affairs you can say embassy in US and for that matter we're closing the whole consulate down. I can't tell microphone or so munkofi. Now Obama can so are you normal? How do you behave like this? Is this diplomatic relations? And Mr. Minister, you are no more in a campaign mode. First of all, say we a minister of state for the foreign affairs. The way our baby behavior should be different. then still I would personal Facebook page and announce a official happy war. What kind of nonsense is this?
Fire.
Minister of State official duties, official releases, and you are using your personal Okudjetwa Blakwa page to release official information about a whole ministry. Mr. Minister, what kind of craziness is this? And then the so in effect, we key the social media handles of a year, the ministry, whilst or using that to build on what kind of nonsense is this? So Kofi, Okodru consular, or issue visas. Not just visas. Say Intel, your friend will be picking of Intel. US embassy or Muhai. And your man is issue visa Magana for Mua. Beyond that, they pick Intel. They exchange note verbals with a nation. You can note verbal. Say BBC quickly or met me and beyond that, it is the duty of the embassy to take care of all Ghanaian citizens in US. So aside the issuance of visa, aside they say omo epic Intel, because here BBC or Washington, that's a Ghana for beya. If we be spying, nation be a just that obia nyin to me ye. Now so nation be a spy on another nation. Say they be obet me a pick security intelligence. So omo free be a opinion jurist. Opinion jurist ni yes ade anyambra. Nemo mu ye nyina ya atum si ye yenti no. Abeye by convention. Nemo medru spying na. No nation want to accept that he is spying on another. Eti wo behwe na French ambassador ye otwa mu yi. No any musicians ye free. No any one mu ye free. They thought they like she likes them. One just one like you. But on the mood in Koma, Becky intelligence and Ketinkiti be now feed the money in the home nation. It is our embassy, our US. Now, see, shutting it down. Are you normal? Because of corruption. What is wrong with us? So now who is speaking intelligence from Washington to Ghana? When you have shut down the consulate or the embassy, who is speaking intelligence from what kind of nonsense is this? It is a Ghana near watching this here or Washington. What closing it down on and by virtue of a diplomatic relation, Ghana knew what children want. As what me back a Ghana embassy one have one. Within the period now was shutting the embassy down. She said Ghana knew what children want. What kind of recklessness? And you are behaving like a dictator. Meanwhile, you were foreign affairs minister. Kofi, your friend be diplomacy. When you talk about diplomacy, Zwai law, a Chinese general be a worker. What can be? Because diplomacy is the continuation of war through other means. So what do you do? Onyuma must be on the table. Obia corruption. Processes ben wa faso. Wa friend on the table. Mahwe ni nyina. And won't see anything so be. Fire. The last resort should be this kekakeka kind of doing things.
More fire.
If you're a diplomatic agent, and the number one diplomatic agent of our nation is the foreign affairs minister, and you still behave like you're on a campaign trail, what kind of behavior is that?
More fire.
What's diplomacy way? Diplomatic agents. I also announced say you shut it down embassy because there is corruption. If you want to say that, say that and stop this nonsense of corruption. You shut it down whole for an embassy.
More fire. More fire.
Oh yes, sir. Other nations view say we over zealous and radical.
Exactly.
In diplomatic circles, we don't behave the way he's just a foreign affairs minister. Wakes up, goes to the Facebook page and say we've shut down embassy because of corruption.
Reckless.
Using on only private and diplomatic number one diplomatic agent with the firm support of President Mahama. I don't know whether, and you see everybody is happy because it's corruption. And now they've seen that Ghanaian people about corruption as well. So they say no, yet will be said, what divert BB war a foreign affairs ministry. Yes, shut the whole foreign affairs ministry down because corruption. Are you people normal? Gobi? I never know. We are near what went into that decision? As the number one foreign agent in our nation. As Shodit Miko Facebook announcing your man without looking at the repercussions of it at the international level. enti oguja to abla kwa kopa Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations no suabi kopa Vienna Conventions on a consular relations na sua onioma besesa and you are no more on campaigner one announce nioma on Facebook anyhow
precisely
I like him because na mepe tama mepe but you me nua kra fire what do I care
fire burning
fire
burning
more fire
what's what be a diverted fans kwahwehwe fans na kire where were you now we've declared that all of them should come home wabua yam find this for be Washington and why you no be boy here match them so also mo buy you know wo mo ne eye can say Russia and Peter Mudie no they are trying to strengthen the relationship between them and Russia so mo bisa question say is this a way of weakening because Washington the embassy in Washington and one year direct relation with the US government so when you say I've shut it down direct relation with the US government Washington
we any ase
behave anyhow
we any ase
sa sam obeka ya makacho say sam form yensam wo mo na de dwoma ma aban be ko behave akeka just Sam George Sam Okujetu and Sam Jemfi Sam Crawford yense na be say dwoma ma aban they are just fancy na I have shut down even the word shuts down as a diplomatic agent, you don't use them
precisely.
If your friend be framing and priming, every word you use is of very importance, it's of very essence. It's not your diplomatic agent. Even the wording of Asama Opesoka, it must not come across like a dictator.
Precisely.
The words like shut down. These are dictators who speak like that.
Exactly.
And you think you are Okuja Black on a campaign platform? On the with the full support of President Jomama, I have shut down a whole number one diplomatic agent of our nation. Speaking, say I have shut down. That word should not even come out of your mouth in diplomatic circles.
More fire.
Minister man for not getting more head. You make it. It was shuru mam. One chance here. Go be. Michelle, I'm questioning what happens at the international plane, and I keep on telling you, I have masters in international relations. I understand the dynamics of geopolitics, international geopolitics. I understand it. I understand what constitutes diplomacy. This is not diplomacy. I never know. We are near my basa. Revolution. I'm going to know. I'm going to know. It's a manager, mama. On your fit to be a minister of fire. University of Education, or maybe education. The obey me, I have shut down because it's within the jurisdiction and territorial jurisdiction of the nation, so you can behave anyhow you want. But the international plane, you can't behave like this. You are the first image of our nation when it comes to diplomacy and international plane. You take away the precedent. You are the person that they are and when they see you are overzealous and radical like this, most nations won't deal with you.
Precisely.
I have shut down. The word shut down should not come from a diplomat. Shut down. A diplomat. The number one diplomat of our nation. And the cash shuts down. Education free. Education free. Was you can never get a sense of a quarter of the sense of Kuja to shout. Mudi imagine anymore. On Tiasia. The American one Tiasia because I've been in intimate Peja. When in your Ghana, when you comment it, Tinani say you and comment it because we are talking about another world.
Precisely.
So we have a nation. Nation never called regional. It's in the war. It say Abia ECOWAS. It's a regional block. And some a regional block in free war. Now Kobo here a sub region which is African nation. Now African in influence a Kobo here world block. What I say? So geopolitics of a year, the one tier say, yeah, can you be an answer commenting? TNTB free. Jimmy in the tea, where had a answer. When me more education free, Makotia won't can machine, as she won't well, she'll be made more free. What's like a campus? Mummy Nsua why? Okuja trouble akwa. You are a diplomatic agent.
Precisely.
Learn how to use diplomacy. Learn how to use the back door in dealing with matters like this. You are not in a campaign trail. We are president now paid in 2% of the popular. It was most presidents say omo person omo kum obi career. When you omo ye. Omo do too diplomatic a year a corner no. Say be ya betimi. But Okuja to is not seeing that. So why is our presidential ambition? Any idea? It's President Mahmoud what to foreign affairs. You walk in and say to Kwan. They didn't know. And yes, still, he's behaving like intra politics.
Yes, Psalms.
The Psalms. Psalm number 1, Psalm number 2, Psalm number 3. Psalm Jata a minister Wuchika number plate in home. Anna a CEO of Gold Modwa, $1 church dollars, and a quote to Kakraka, $1. Anna Psalm number 3 no year, some Mukuja try. One who says one yet normal person. And Safwahine. Or to tomb. What's our cushy? Or to approve. I'm not being in our or see if God bless me with a male child, I shall call him Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah. Yeah, me that say. You read the message, you know, 1, 2, 3, okay. I say I think you are empty and a fool, okay, there be unya empty. Anka umfa ojai enka ho. We say today I decided to listen to you and I just noticed you are low mind Debbie. Michael, you make nyina no ntiase. And you okuja to abla kwa de make otiase. And what that is sum yeso be wonu say we din sem hunu pa. Obi. What did say hunu papa? Professor Malco. Work gempa. Eso kuja to konwo kire no diplomatic. Professor Beta. Ono so ombetimi a school ni kama. Obeba no abene no aye fine. No abobel. Yemfa buga nye diplomacy. Me misua ne keke. Me dia me nim say dem tie ntimi wo ma foreign affairs amenge. If say me nim say foreign affairs here go akonu num ti. Na oyiwa keka ko to ahye so fork and knife yi. And na ko twitwa mi na no makeka. One day still I want to see. Oguye to we na anya yakọ ni amfa omra inside. No be fufu from foreign affairs. E just say hunu no ato awudi no. More fire. Ade be na no. Burning. Mirror of justice. Mirror of justice. The tiri ho no. Besmaka do say NDC youth are happy to learn sense. Ahanya kwase ani aboa. Now Kovi young next topic. So we are not wasting much time. I have Miss Wasem no now you say to me. And it looks like President Mama is losing it. Precise. And President Mama, with the greatest of respect, Your Excellency, me say I'm money don't munku si hwe. Eye wan be nim kwa. Hwe nim. Enema wo ye nada da no a. But some dignity, some respect for our constitution is all we ask for. Now Oba and also resetting. Just like I told Ayemimia Bobiansa. Bobiansa say MPP buy no. MPP came after Bobiansa. And for that matter, it's Yefan Yankrofo. Basinia, this is principle. Yes, now no Fatus Wamulko, yeah, branch Adenta Kubi. Okay, so this is one to me. You want to me there. You want to me there. Say your I don't want to handcuff.
Please, why are you sending him?
Bring him a sandal. No, come.
No, why are you sending him? What's up with the name for him? You don't disrespect me. Please, why are you sending him? Why are you sending him? She has to record so that they know. Why are you sending him? I don't know what I'm doing. You told me that CID. Let's go. I'm the man of Okatakyie. Let's go. Let me record the best. Record it. Let's go. not record it. Because recording. I want to know I'm good.
Superintendent Yakubu Isaku, aide camp Emma Kanema Pegina Bedio Dr. Elijah Muhammad Baumia, Nababe to just say, if you was Sapiman, National Security, Ejumayefobi Eburaho, for you so Bosobede to sue and Numia yet, Memenda Echemono. Isaku Nchirimua, Ababe to Jano, Ochera, WhatsApp so best say, and Menu Siabapa Unsi Medunai, around for be Ekachwene say, Asra for Wakata when Nimbe said Diasa, and Aburan fear, Unim Hurry.
So, Danny, it's okay. Come back to them. So, Govi, first of all, we are not in a jungle.
Exactly.
That be.
Tell them.
Your Excellency, what is this? It's when you reset it. And I know the excuse that people will be giving is that and the MPP buy or muyebi. Now, Mr. Samu Betuan Kwasiasem na so dia. And the Amu Kasi Yamamu Kwama resetting. So we thought President Mahama coming in, he's going to respect the laws of our nation. Obey Nyoma different. Obey setting Ghana on the tone beer. And the next phase of our nation. If it's a demuye, if any government changes, the only natural reaction is that you do me, I do you.
More fire.
And most of you know, JJ Rollins at Snaso, Semeno Kasei, from 92 Nebanwa, who you could the free one, and were harassing Crofos with a security. With the help of a Yokoyochikata. No more harassing Crofo, a cumbie, any idea. Now, President Kufoji, at that time, needs one Benjamin. If they were coming there from an era of a dictator, 10 a civilian. Now, President Kufo's time, they also did all what they can. Then, Professor Mel Sebaye in 2009, another radical. Near Rob fear with you, near yes, any other. Tantan. Then a Kufodo comes in. So you do me in 1992 to 2000. I come and do you from 2000 to 2008. I come and do you from 2009 to 2016. Akufo-Addo comes in and they also do the same nonsense. And you tell us that you are coming to reset the nation. So, Your Excellency, if you are resetting the nation, is this the way you want to reset the nation? Way. Sadie way. Way. Ewa bra Kofi. Yemra Ghana. Exactly what we should do. Even so what gonna say, Obia ye boni. That's all person chena. At the end of constitution neka. Utimi kwa ye di ope. Udi trio. Ejai. Ni owozo. Mo de ba me so. Mo ye the same thing. Mo ko ntim for jo so. Mo ye the same thing. And I don't know why the citizens are happy because we are doing this foolishness.
Precisely.
And in plain language, excuse my French, it's foolishness to the highest order.
More fire.
Any civilized society will not entertain this kind of things. In the name of Yasasabang. Now the cool So let's go to Article 12 of our nation, Constitution. Article 12. Then if I'm going Article 12, near ready. Read Article 12:1. Was it the fundamental human rights and freedoms enshrined in this chapter shall be respected and upheld by the executive? One, you will be a friend of fundamental human rights. And the definition of what fundamental human rights is. It is a right that is not given. It is a right that a person assumes by virtue of the fact of being a human being. What it means is that basic right to be right to life, right to education, and you see your first generational right, second generational right. It will be the right to life near there. That is a civil and political right. And some a cultural and social right. Let's leave all of that. I will take that for another day. Now, fundamental human rights, and I'm saying JJ Rollins in the mind. Want to me imagine free myself. Near years are more and some JJ free a dictator freedom of movement. It was the fundamental human rights and freedoms enshrined in this chapter shall be respected and upheld by the executive, legislature, and judiciary, and all other organs of government and its agencies, and where applicable to them, by all nature and legal persons in Ghana, and shall be enforceable by the courts as provided for this constitution. Yefri baby nieba, baby driye, wame kumet mi fa obi, no na kwashe baby a wunhunu. Yefri be habeas corpus, produce the body. na no just have na akọ no say you ma file habeas corpus ni ade go video me ka tell say it ye babedu 1992 because of that history and the protection of the fundamental rights every executive in say the court shall enforce it. It shall be enforceable by the court. What it then means is that and the executive no want mean sure in the open. National security a part of the executive. Police a part of the executive. Military a part of the executive. It is a police in military and national security. Wamu jimia a executive ne jimi.
More fire.
You are abusing the right of the people.
More fire.
Is that the nation we want to build?
Never.
Abusing the rights of the people?
Never.
In the name of what? Resetting. Now, Yanko Clause 2, Yanko Article 12. Was it every person in Ghana, whatever his race, place or origin, political opinion, whether young people or NDC or CPP, color, religion, creed, or gender, shall be entitled to the fundamental human right. Fundamental human right in the same fair trial, dignity, respect for the person.
Exactly.
And the Marana Chirasa who got you
Precisely.
and you know.
Exactly.
The fundamental rights and freedoms of the individual contained in this chapter, but subject to the respect for rights and freedoms of others and for the public interest. It you be protect to be a fundamental right, whether you want to meal, whether against who we are secure, whether you identical meal, or against who can be why you you shall respect the person's right.
Precisely so.
And what kind of constitution? Article 19 2C, 2F. You better do. Then if I'm next one. Was it a person who are arrested? First of all, one criminal because why do you know yes we're a criminal? It is only the courts that can declare somebody criminal.
Precisely so.
A 2-year Article 15.1 also respect for human dignity. So the dignity of the persons, all persons shall be inviolable. And this is the Constitution speaking. The man you don't do this craziness. I want to in the man. And the AK-47, such a sophisticated weapon, and all will be Ghana. It's not as though they could side down AK-47. We are crossing national security and then internal security. This is AK-47 and some more and the most sophisticated weapon in the world. AK-47 and I'm going to watch you then talk me. Where you wine, where you criminal, where you terrorist. When your information is okra bombs and at the bay, want to me no okra tuo, okra bombs on the field. So today a bay out there because you want to me. I mean, I don't support some of the nonsense who to me that. So it's not about being unto me,
Fire for fire.
but it's about being civilized. We are in a civilized society. We don't do the things that they are doing. Now I see the dignity of all persons shall be inviolable. That means what you mean violating? And when we say you is inviolable, just say Emma room granted the oil and you are violating the dignity. Say oh Kwachio where and you see my constitutional law lecturer, Deputy Attorney General, Justice James, I with all due respect. You I know you are well trained, you are an American trained, you are I think you must advise your government. This things it doesn't speak well for them.
More fire.
If I don't take me, what can be? Against one can what is it? Let the law take its course.
Precisely.
You feel say you're defaming. So I said Tadio Sorry. I mean Tadio Sorry is my very good friend. At any point, I don't think anybody should defame Tadio Sorry. If Tadio Sorry being a lawyer thinks that the right as a person has been trampled upon him, he must seek redress through the courts.
More fire. So
More fire.
More
fire.
And then cross said, "Ya kick you on your car when you research." Now, young next one. Yanko, okay, Article 15 to or say no person, whether or not he is arrested, restricted, or retained, be subjected to torture.
Exactly.
When you're in America, Constitution in America, or say no person, whether Dentakumi, whether Okatakyie Afrifa, when arrested shall be subjected to torture. And here we are not talking about physical torture, even mental torture. Going there with guns and ammunition. Are we crazy? What nation is this? Is this a nation we want to be?
Yeah, the monkey 12.
The monkey 12 feet. He said, "And I'm going to tell you." He said, "And I'm going to tell you."
Ne mame
Ewa bre mrana provide said you see nipa. Kovi, obechi nipa krana. You go for a warrant from the court. Odru wa. Esa odun sake nipa no. Na oka di enti a wo che no. Na we are respectfully you tell the person say you have the right to a counsel.
Precisely.
If some marano at Article 19 a year F, on 2C, we ever do, I think it's 2C. Young next.
More fire.
What kind of nonsense is this? Now we're in a reset. A year would Now we Article 17 say, all persons shall be equal before the law, whether one to meal, whether dental kumio, whether katechio, whether jomamo, all persons shall be equal before the law. So supremacy, equality before the law. And yet, the treaty be said, obi to me the petition yaba afa a whole chief justice home. Young Kocheno, so spread the false information. Now so be petition some younger some madam for your sorry and the judges are koshia. That's how they say information papa. Jana go prepare be What is all you have the right as a president to say that when they make him. And that's the end of the case.
Exactly.
If any of the people that he mentioned in the petition, they feel that their rights as a people, they have been defamed, the law is there, the processes are there for them to file a suit for defamation, and you provide it. So some more kind of your untruth, some more kind of defamation. Because of that, may lose A, B, and C.
More fire.
That's what. Wait. Civilized society be anywhere, yes.
Precisely.
Civilized society be anywhere, yes. And for me, connect. Now read the article. All persons shall not be discriminated against on grounds of gender, race, color, ethnic origin, religion, creed, or social or economic status. It's whether you want to me or your MPP chairman. Social status. You don't discriminate against him. Whether you're Kumi or Kumi or your MPP ninti. You don't discriminate against him. This is Article 17.2 saying it. I'm not the one saying it. And this is the supreme law of our nation. And the supreme law of our nation is telling your mama and the national security that you must not discriminate against people. What nonsense is that? And nobody is able to tell them that this is nonsense. Your Excellency, with the greatest of respect, this is nonsense. I'm so sorry to say it, but it's nonsense. The question I can nonsense, palpable nonsense. It does not make any sense.
Precisely.
That's what I'm going to say. We are a nation of laws. We don't sit here and allow anybody to do what they like. Constitution is about a switch will be so we must respect the constitution. Let me call that here. And if I make next, now you read it. We are a nation of laws. You cannot be doing crazy.
Fire them.
Now Article 19.1. Or see a person charged with a criminal offense. The reason they say charged, you can say a person who is convicted. Who go into me or no? Who trimun why be also a galamseya? Ya come not to one behavior so behaving. A be more also a galamseya. But what is the difference between a galamseya and a person be a krater and all kind? A krater. It's here be an anoma warrior. It's not in conformity with the rules that govern small scale mining. But is it the case that one krater and warrior? Does that make it illegal?
Fire.
What kind of nonsense is this?
More fire.
So they can't prove anything. Because at the end of the day, whether one to me sell forest, one sell forest, he must have done it within a certain remit of the law.
Exactly. So
More fire.
Decently, and that person who is charged with criminal offense shall be given a fair hearing within a reasonable time by the court.
Precisely.
Educate them.
Shall be given a fair hearing.
Educate them.
Enti nana mo ni betimi invite you to me. I'm na shata di fitaba. Enti nkurase sem na mo di tuo no ko okoye na ede. Na ne ede be na. And mo invite you to me so buy. Oba ye matutu na no. That is the decency of the law that the law is saying.
Precisely.
Decency. The dignity of a person. Mo invite no. Aye na mo invite no. On madia. Then you have the grounds to say you invite no one or ma, so we are going for an arrest warrant to go and arrest him.
More fire.
I didn't cross me.
More fire. More fire.
You are turning it into an animal kingdom. You better to a baby. Respectfully, John Dramani Mama. Your Excellency. Untina to me soon could do 1 million years. Now we lose to 2016. Whoever thought that you guys will come back? Deck. I'm lose to 2016 years of my baba. So I break it to a bit. Na Ghana for any idea where and then Ghana from Ghana from all over the world.
Precisely.
I think the person who designed democracy, they sat down to study a social patterns of human beings. It's by 8 years or more from Crawford. Other than that, time one Adolf Hitler years were Bo England for Britain for. It took Winston Churchill 1 man to draw in Americans to come and defend England. And so him, you can't talk when we are 1945, 6 years into the war, or defeated Adolf Hitler, or call elections 1946. So by nature, human beings get tired of. Your mama said, there are people within your party. And they are sidelines here don't get young for you. Almost Bob Bukata. And they are normal human nature. So was sideline because who are preferred candidate. Almost mafia. And political parties don't win elections. It's the government in the lose elections. Yeah, near the 2 million for it's a bedroom baby and this if one MPP for be conniving. A feed you information, and also I say Julius the Brown Crawford. No feed before you say don't get young. Let's say do some Crawford feed for Julius. Near Chester, and Chester 1, 2. Once a show. And yet you don't buy the good. But yeah, they are to me stop it. They will come. Now your movie. Then if I may call it next one. That is Article 19.2c.
More fire.
Okay, Article 19.2c. Or say all persons shall be presumed to be innocent until is proven or has pleaded guilty.
More fire.
It is a to mean provision depending you're guilty. And now on one pleaded guilty. You don't treat the person like a criminal.
Precisely.
It's what him say do baby krano. You say uko dia wu a non-bailable offense. Next a criminal and other offenses act. And a lawyer Martin Pebu the court say Constitution is everybody shall be presumed innocent until proven guilty. So the moment you say you won't bail them, that means you have actually given them a sentence.
More fire.
Nampa court to need free was any idea. Still mother should be able to say the jungle.
More fire.
General. Omo should be able to say the jungle.
Fufu security.
Fufu security. Omo ya de fufu security.
They go to chef fufu. AK-47 nobody na mama fufu.
AK-47 nobody na mama fufu. The from say
fufu security.
General so kwase se me de power. Eti ukwachi obi a please national security do hon so decent sa ba ko no Osman Alasan no ya Ashaman police commander a very good friend, more like a father to me sir. Very decent gentleman or nyanya mama sabasa ni ade na we and Japan na mo di kwasesem si
Jack Norris.
Oh yeah, Jack Norris. Say Japan na na in the wula Japan. In this maka chere mo. Tin kwasesem ni wona je obi se o wozu. Japan, stop that nonsense. Munja kwasesem no. We are in a nation of laws.
Exactly so.
For full security. Oui. Ave Adani. Bombi raising na bibi din semone kakra.
Pound for pound.
Shower me when you step on me, I'll kill that. Okay. Danny medase. Moon raise me. Na yenye adwuma bi. Jera.
Oh, yene.
Am I ready?
Yeah.
And deck to adu.
Yeah, ready.
Obi.
Oh, yene.
The me my dwene ho na me be.
Sir.
I dwene ho nyina asi.
Sir pepepe.
My bouncing off people that I reason with. Okay? If you say me mpa ebo me bo kire me nyankopon say. Me pese me do baby out me fo a. Mente.
Sir.
So me take a decision be I bounce it off with people.
Precisely.
In fact, learned and educated people.
Exactly.
And I take all the feedbacks. So there may be and my going home. When we say the Paboni force I was so cool. We don't joke with that person. We in Paboni need naturally. Etina Vladimir Putin, the chef. Yevgeny Prigozhin, the Onya plane crash. Now or Vladimir Putin chef, very close. No or trusting no. Anna or money build the Wagner group. So what are you? More military unit be war. So the Wagner group grew to become a very big military force.
Precisely.
Which at some point now or the year Nioma. Now Yevgeny Prigozhin became powerful.
Exactly.
And he thought he could challenge Vladimir. Medium minim. Nemono baby cherese plane crash corona winyaye. Because we decided yes or be working on Moscow for a mutiny. What feel I'm not a weak leader, I'll cut your head off. And let this be a warning to anybody who wages war with me. Who wage war with me, I'll be ready, you want to survive it.
Exactly.
I'll cut your head. So when you get me, don't miss. Because when you shoot at me and you miss. Obakaya, Abrantia ya was saying a basement. Unnecessary insult. Bad energy. I want to focus. The ambassador we are saying is not about these unnecessary trivialities.
Never.
Then it turns out say Obama and trapping. Now crazily. So at some point, even when I had found out, I decided that I was not going to go into the dirty gutters with them because thinking that me manebre, I'm an assistant and me who say Bonia by the team, I quite say who jump by the team. So now I have no other option than to give them a dose of your homogen.
Precisely.
And you see, because untimi the oma kwasiabo we ye manfo say wo kọ no wako onim panimfo kọ nantia na ofidi kabintela with information on said the kabintela de ye manfo no untimi nti within 2 seconds wadwane free social media and sansa dali adwane free social media wa bo deactivate ni account you know na tinten wrote out wa ye hurija onya doctor oso ye doctor me kwa free family say onya doctor babia babia wotena ya okakire nkrofo say the office eni enya office eni fie kitchen nchen ya na odi yes ani babia o ye 2022 wantimi antua ho kam ya pamo no odwane ye wanfa ba hwe 2022 and the American be obetimi assume and I know what constitutes defamation but only credibility so she cannot come and seek for defamation. Now then if pictures in be kire mo no mo hu no ba ko we nyina oboa na nya nwanwa se de bi ogina ba bi fa we doctor ni na ade na ebone ha na ese card no ATM card. Oh, I'm telling you, and video ni mu edu ba bi a mekire mu and I'm saying it we are done ATM none of the pictures I was so a doctor sa card ni ni hwe I don't know what done card na chi and then zoom in no mo hwe card no ATM card bi abon say 3-digit numbers wo chire o hwe zoom in no mo hwe card ATM card
Exposè.
and this girl can edit to the point says I didn't know only Kevin Taylor can so mo dey call cyber security against me editing
Precisely.
and Kevin Taylor kwase se mo di no kroma bebire no editing it was 3-digit pin na walk down ho no mahu sa 3-digit pin na ya na wo ATM and na walk down ATM card and she seal na ebo akire no seal na ATM card ejiga na nya doctor na maka mo se montiase I'm forced to provide information na girl no oye criminal see the make and I say she's a criminal without mentioning words oko jail in 2007 oko jail in 2008 for a retail theft chrono and burglary our records are there our US state county Pennsylvania I have a card na me chiro so this is an ATM card. An ATM card, 3-digit PIN, ne dia na wasi on. Ana sa see we na ATM card. Ana black line e boho. Etinye ne card, enye oni doctor's card bia. I'm telling you, oni doctor's card. Sansa kroma twa dia. Na se ne dia sansa, wonim sa sansa e ya kroma. Yakasa sansa e ya kroma. Eti wo criminal. And as we move, not only is she a fake doctor, but oye romance scam. What me pretend this one yam. No, they are jim crofosika. You be show messages. Na make us one Kevin Taylor or your informant keke. Not knowing only Kevin Taylor were into relationship. So you Kevin Taylor girl, we will show all those messages. Tell them okay. Mr. Kroma, I'm for this between. I'll go after you. I will let the people know you are not a doctor. You are a fake doctor. On your doctor, America baby. And now a medical council and dental and one for Kevin Taylor so we expose on them. The only time we Kevin Taylor expose on them, Umbeka say mami your license no. Nanim obitratro atomoso. Eto omoye no mususuronti. Omosi o dia yekan ne den yesa nya no kure. Na emomu we are only saying that she is not a doctor within the confines of Ghanaian law. Make Afrifa na me make emphatic statement. Say we onye doctor wa America baby. John Hopkins University, the profile was what called 4.0. Now, when John Hopkins University, are you crazy? Okay, I was saying, I started Temple University. Won him Temple University, and I rediverted to John Hopkins. Such a lie. She's not a doctor. She's never been a doctor. The farthest she's come, almost certificate with any HHE, Home Health Deben Assistant. It will not even a level of a nurse. And of course, I don't know what knowledge in the field because why home health home care, dear friend home care. Why a little bit of knowledge in the field. You didn't see me in a better on medical school, baby. John Hopkins in him. You put rich or fast or edited and share John Hopkins idea. Now, you may when himself Otimi to the point that Mike Ezronye, Nigerian Mike Ezronye, on the country Produpino, will prove that. This is a whoop. Then you see, every after this show, imagine whom you know, Namashe. Enra me catch the kwasiampeni ni say opa me soup one I'll go after the girl 10 now when they say o girlfriend no it why emotionally involved wasieto now je din krofo yiratem we didn't krofo yiratem wo mu do mu nyenipa kwasiampeni ya touch your girlfriend I said any boafu o say na ni abre and one girl ne koya we me no ka say NDC ni pedi bi last 2 months girl we ne ko twem Emma girl no recording say me no ka say and I will show you a year Danny fa $dollars no sa dollars video no fa to so kran sa ne aba only Kevin Taylor a money laundering there is an allergy bi what to do then you know I will bring it sa dollars we girl no na ka say wash actually but I know they will come there. Wait, I'm do POB ni nyai. I'm do POB. On Kevin Taylor. So they blackmail people. On your information for one of their come Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor they be blackmail you for $100,000. I'm declare my man this year a year gateway. E wa Lisa Hotel. And a man catch and say, me no watch him record me. Fair enough. But me amount $50,000 and not $100,000. When you go after me again, I will assassinate you. I said, my God, man, I don't know Kevin Taylor give $50,000 from coach, and I'll come there. You flew, I'll come there. You are a criminal. Exactly. But me no watch him. Pen and yama visa won't mind you. Now, young her first video. Baby, I na original say officer. Young her video no say a officer now. I am a kitchen chain. Now the bab girl and the bab boy, your friend William. What do you have? You
wrestle? Good. Don't stop killing him. Kill him. Kill him.
Let's
Pause it. Eti we or hyehyɛ ne ho na waba ba ye photo shoot. Eti oye wi a say we also at office. Anya sa. Na office ni ye baba ho me mami was ko kitchen. Now aya hwade edu ba bi a card na ode bo ho no ohun say card na ada na ehwe ba bi. Eti am pay attention obeda ne card na chi. She's a criminal. She's only posing for the cameras. Said the baby we obepre. Na ye we e be sad mo kohwe another video a. Okojina baby say ye fra eye camp a hospital bi Dali Family Medical. Okojina ho say because ni din de Dali no ne dia. An oko edit a picture. Emani looking like a hospital no bank account. No, they duping for so $21 million. What do you ever do? This guy is a criminal. And we are calling on the Attorney General to go after her. And yes, sir, crime has no statute of limitation. And Attorney General, even if you go after this girl and you don't, case in it, per article 19, I think 19.7, Obijina Merenim, Nasia Kweti and I are discharging one. It is only the courts that can, you can say, recall for. So Attorney General with the kind of information we have on this girl. If Attorney General go after, impersonation is a crime, what she's doing is a crime. On your doctor. And there was say Ghana. I know for a fact that this girl has been taking care of people as a doctor in Ghana. So she's a criminal, she's impersonating, she needs to go to jail. Also the Mbeko jail. And if this Attorney General does not do the case well, now the case in the we are, res judicata will not apply. We will let the court, with the kind of information we will put to the court will recall it. Criminal. Now for Yenti.
Kill Russell. Leave him dead. Happy Meal McDonald?
Yes.
You tell.
My name was a Happy Meal McDonald. My name is Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah. I some kind of walk on can be here.
Pause it. Kuachi akrementi mu said we sit down a card na chi no because afi na card ni show say a bank card no ye quick no dan e chiri. I said this girl is a criminal. She's not a doctor. She's never been a doctor. Now there's an exposé a minya de to amu nyina mbedwane. And the baby father, there is a man be friend William Ketchner. I want to social media. It's a statement of fact. Ne only ne bani sa boy na okasa wono. Ne bani di William. Ana man di William. Eti me bi minim say ne kunu. Me catch you pain. Aha yenko.
I want to come with pipe that. Oops. I want to get. Mommy? I want to buy this. Mommy, watch.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay. What's mine?
We or she shared you man. And I said I code lab. There's another video Saturday yeba yebebo. And no Okobi hospital. And I Okojina front a you hono. As I hear the same thing ya wo yi. Owi ye no mo coat lab ne stethoscope no. And they share rubber bag when they to ho. Yeba woni yina mo. She is not a doctor anywhere in the world. Afa yento aso.
Hey, absolutely. A big consumer. Fuck.
And right now, William, stop using the F word. Stop it.
Somebody.
Oh,
sorry me. Just stop saying it.
Stop it. Stop it, mommy.
You stop it.
Stop it. Thank you, mommy.
Go put this down in the kitchen and come back. Go put it in the kitchen.
No.
Go put it in the kitchen now.
No, mommy.
Hurry up.
I want it.
Take it to the kitchen. Hurry up.
No, I want it. Chicken.
Kitchen, not chicken. Hurry up.
Eti mo say afi no enye office bia no wo eye ni fie wa and yemfa eye house number if you are ye ne house number ye de betu dwa as we progress now we 2022 self year we went me and $3,600 ama ye bepamo ni free we took over we have the evidence here now Kofi yanko Dani forward ko anim edu ba bi obetena seni ade forward ko or trans yanko.
You need to take that to the kitchen first, baby. Hurry up.
Mommy?
Yes, you didn't take it. What did you do with it?
No.
Can mommy do this one in peace, please?
No.
Give
me a fries.
Fries? Okay, I should give you fries and what? Go ahead. I'm taking the order.
Give me my Sonic toy.
You want a toy too? You want a Sonic toy in the kids' meal, right?
Yes.
Okay, what else do you want?
I want to tell you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, you want pizza and what? I'm taking your order. Hurry up, honey.
Give me my car toy.
You want a toy car?
Yes.
Okay, and then what?
Give me a Pacho mouse. Yes, mommy. I want to you. Now.
Happy Meal?
Yes. Kia Roberts.
Okay, so jina ho. Obi ye video na mano. So last end ho. Obeka said, did you capture all of that? What yanko? Ye we are me de mo beko baby oko jina ya. E ho ye Dali medical is it Dali Family Medical? E wo US. Oh we ya no said that ko jina o. I will watch it. We all of us should. Eti Kevin Taylor nipa wo boa no Emma or Jimfo or the no champagne in Fua, no information go. And only some no say. Now President Mahama be my away appointment. Because Kevin Taylor's on no appointment at Kediman. Young for girl when caught on Uncle no Kevin Taylor to be benefit. I'm telling you. Can get away President Mahama be man appointment. Such a criminal. And my friend Bolare, my senior catcher, and said, when I am done with this girl, your station will suffer. After wabo wakonesi Dani wabo esi jina wansa now with this video Dani mesa the second one bito so enya sa dia that means ubebo mienu say second one ne ye on Kevin Taylor ha enie start free ha Mezukovi, the most dangerous human beings, and I Kevin Taylor, the kind of blackmailer or young Kroma, with the help of this girl, you'll be shocked. And Mr. Bohunusa, dollars be Brena Nego, Omudu Pio, a choir of Faswa, your friend guy be Femi in Nigeria, Omudu Pio in Babach. Zero. Missing penny for no more cronu kroma. May and me catch it a gun and penny for be back door say Omoma get away to us the oyena. I'll be forced to do something in this country, you'll be shocked. Fire. Me catch them. For Nick Kevin Taylor Shasie, and I will gonna not get na this was here, and then sorry I'm caught here, but she's away 8.2 inches. Yeah, fire you better. For ruler, never ever 8.2. Okay, as I'm go man. Yeah, me get it. Now, remember what you saw until with confidence. What but damn That is what we can get on and say, me cut to Shanyasa. Now, once I told that I got in the show. Now, what for guitar? No, I will say a ball, a dank to him. Now, about could do that. You enter your break.
Stadium is so.
And there was some.
Stadium is so.
Oh, yes, it was. I'm telling you.
Stadium is so.
Yeah, for rule and for measure 8.2. I see anymore. I mean, never go. Minka, who do pink of Fukuma? Minka was from this nonsense. Get be Okatakyie. Now will drag me din. Now will control and when we are school, when you say, and I'm saying, stop this things. Also, to where wouldn't certificate here. Kwasiato no one nyan no madwene ni mo haditi no da bia ye di wo asem ni di no evidence Kevin Taylor says here edit nyoma against people. Tell me one single person I say and I'm Kevin Taylor so akojim. Tell me one single person.
More fire. More fire.
I remember funu ne kwansi so ni patantan say timi di mpanyfo atem kuma na yan ko back ni yan hwe lady no Kovi yan hwe lady no Kevin Taylor girlfriend now wakachiro obi say Dali Health medical health ne dia it yes obi gina animu na opposite said there on na madam ave yenhwe it's mobile or share ha start mobile or share ha obetwa video nti wo twitwa nani mo hwa de Hold on. Kuachi kakra bi. Ave mo say o free one ni yam hye no ne ade. Look at the body language. Because na owie ye no, there is a video to us. Ope obi adu pin nti no. Obi na the camera etua ne nsa no. No share that you fast you right inside the hall. Na Okatwi nti the people will not know what she's saying. No the camera in video me place here no e ha so na okay so at the end of the day oba be catch us say and you nyama we nyina shoto. Oso ya na ne Kevin Taylor mu jimi. Oso ya na ne Kevin Taylor mu jimi kroma. And who ya me catch us say stop these things. And me chauti because boni wo trim. Na me semema Ghana for hu. How wa wo call ye ko dupi and you call that abortion for expo. Wo de bia ye me nu antimi no beto nche. Ade. Mu nyina mu hushim. Yonkodo. Trinity. Now Obano, Dani Kuachika Kremina, nation body language. Just say, well, we are not watch a picture. Now, more damn no mental problem. Will you be doing these things? Have it. Moja Edani, Oja video no. First one na ye first. It will remu and was said akoye and yebeba no. Dani eno na wo show okay that's the gina ho. Afa yenhwa de aha sei. Or shed the camera na ne nemu na wo kasa fam and fa you go see him. Crazy girl. Oh, you kura niama we nyina wo to. When I'm telling you to stop this stupidity with Kevin Taylor, you think you are doing me. Make sure Dani sabo free second one, second video na no de. Sabo free ho. Baby anu one nam na no ye, bo free ho. Afi mo hwa de bia wo ye. Kobi, the girl is the queen of editing. Precisely. Me say, oni kabinto, ye criminal say. Omo be mo believe in true. I'm telling you. Me say Ghana for nioma be bra mo believe ye wo kabinto lansa. Omo tina si shed that editing. They are criminals. Oni get we. Boni omo di Ghana for. If only you guys will stop this nonsense of believing Kevin Taylor who client sinker. Na me ko free family tie. And then Kevin Taylor let me dia be kire mo say. O shase free. Na ke kwatachi na ni kwati awuo. Mo musa na say ni kwati. Adechi oba no wo senkraman no asase san story ana na yire no be pamre wato adechi o say matisi yesi ayi menua ba no mo musa say anti first one na wo kana na eye wan na odwe say wan. So the guy is so stupid. Precisely. And he lies with confidence. And if you don't take a Kevin Taylor lies, Kadeche will go to jail and people are so happy they think I'll go to jail. Meanwhile there is no criminal case anywhere in Ghana today that you are so stupid. And you believe this guy.
More fire.
Mo believe Kevin Taylor. Afa yenhwe editing agel no aye. Dani fa baby okogina aye na oyes wo video no. Ehwo ye Dali Health Medical. And because ni din Dali ne soso ni no. Opeso prove chire obi se eye ne dia. Afa yenko na hwa ade. Yenko na hwa ade. Dan ayifa sa bayi ni to so. Dani Fadali yinu etuso. Dabi minim say 1 2 3 1 2 3 fano a green signboard no fano to so. Aha dan okay so original image no okay so even if you can you rotate it? Obetimi I rotate na mana ayi. Then you work on it, rotate it, now after a month. So, a did Dali Medical Health in Ohio. And what the name say, Yenedia. Tienio. Oh, we are no call edit a year document. Nasa document, no. Osha document, a year DFM. So, Dali Family Medical. And why I say a year Wells Fargo Bank. A receipt. No, what you people don't know. You don't know who you are dealing with. Scammers. Or you're confident trickster and a scammer. This girl.
More fire.
Me see what there yakono me so be hu oni Kevin Taylor how won mu do pin crofo kruma afani asase me nya nwi na dani what the bar afa o hwe we a yankohwe editing na wo ye na o de agi obisika na otimi kopeke akola a o hye niku na wa ka kire ye friend Nigeria ni bi femi say you to one send nisika otimi ju $100,000 $200,000 we are no Kevin Taylor ye money laundry omo yusu guy bi otudu alaji ni number nyina beto
more fire.
We are not joking. Oh yeah, me catch us say na wo ye no me say am pass girl we will be tia me etimi ko jail akwa nwini hu tu kura say one ma twempena denti ampa me wa oni anything against me precisely and try no betwa ye na okay so this is it. So the original revert to original so or edit video no esa na me be won to hwa enipa no pick ya wo ye you know esa revert the video to original. So this is the original. This is Wellspan Health Dali Family Medicine. Eti the din Dali no enye ne din no ne din ankasa de eye anasansa na Dali no okowari old man bi eno say o twa microphone tro say o ware Tim Dali a oye movie actor onye Tim Dali bi ayere and me say wo better to she is a confident trickster precisely. It will who Dali Health Medicine no ko gina ho na afi o wi en fa me ko ne enkohwe editing of Wells Fargo bank account. Our the drooping microphone. She is a confident trickster. And nobody should nobody should come and tell you say and now you're a medical doctor only a medical doctor baby anywhere in the world. So I've heard here wako editing Wells Fargo America and now I heard DFM. So DFM near Dali's Family Medicine. Okay. And what $21 million almost can get roll. And what see a payroll a 133,000. So I will show you what she used this to do. The Odisa idea or editing. I'll show you what she uses it to do.
More fire.
In a chat.
More fire.
Otimi kopeki akola o den niku anyoma hye ne ho no wo de asende be ma say wo sa ayi otimi on one cassette me yes onyem romance scam and I'm coming to America there. I'm going to make sure the American authority will take you on.
More fire.
Because romance scam is a crime in America.
Exactly.
Oh, ne Kevin Taylor say mo de me ku afifa be koji. I'm say mo bobo adam. Na na me twen ya say court to kron be ba so. Ni ya prove how mo editors an kwase asem na ka mo de beto. And Kevin Taylor chamo ni ma no ani age ana Kevin Taylor no ye good no Jimmy nko editing say ya. We was fago account we. Account summary. Eya editing. Why edit it? And then the phone so. It we are not the actual Dali family health medicine ya media. It's in my bank account you need. It's no sir. When him so kwaji will be Lexus. So they kwaya there. E ko twa fake account to so. Me say nyama we ya kiss ye be bio wa ha. Na ye di bi beto ma catch ro. O boyfriend kwasi ampeni no. Ya woni ni duping ko for Kevin Taylor. Me say we kwasi ase. O di opa tworo of tworo e family. I'll come after the girl time. Na me gas o mo ye namfo keke. Enze me hunu say the girl no the girlfriend. So the girlfriend no dia. That means no girlfriend in ejimi. And me be who be our emotions. I'll go after you. Asiato. O girl no be ko jail. O pro be ko jail. She will go to jail for crimes against humanity. Wait. On your doctor. Now taking care of people in this country. Also taking care of people in this country. I'll prove it to you. This guy is not a doctor anywhere in the world. It is unfortunate I have to do this because one way I know I come be prescription who kunipa. 2, omudi duping crofo, and I owe it a duty. Say member nipa unu no man fall victim to that nonsense.
More fire.
3, on the gun and pennyfo be the but after we do what? Why do you think or and pennyfo time here or dim was sem? Cause of Bob Chrono no neighbor. We no can say Kajuma prepare an appointment. Yet your woman Niama met a few, ever patch on. Niama, guy no di candy a story by also be patch. So Niama Chopana. It's not that asem no kind in your crew. Name was one Kodia assembly so the Google anymore. So assembly no correct. Name of Nanko keeping a secret. This guy is a criminal. On a Kevin Taylor. A Ghana Medical Council force. All of a sudden, Kevin Taylor, I have information on Ghana Medical Science. It says Obwa, Obekantron, or Beretinium for Monkwa. It was your expose on them. Until so much our girlfriend and your licensed in Ghana. Nanya expose. Was Seattle. Made a ragas or the bumps and I'll go. Meh, whatever.
More retreat.
Nimuntia. No retreat. Missing sure if a man Numbia would join. I feel your baba. I will pretend this one. Now what did Jim Memasika? Medical catchers will call jail. Wako jail 2 times. In 2007, Okoria Nyama shop. A retail theft. In 2008, burglar will break you. The company will break you. Ye Kokoria.
More fire.
Wait. They said now, dear gentlemen in the jai. And then Nancy Kakrem, who a business. Hey! No, I know what you can was a Samson. Continue to an affair in the Guzi. Continue to answer who are begging 10. What to be Tracy? What a patcho.
More fire.
Giant.
More fire.
They said, the mayor Kevin Taylor no woman. Only Kevin Taylor. Why am I first one money laundering? Money laundering is a crime in Ghana, a crime in the US. Now, I catch yourself by the time I'll come in. Now I hear do see play. And so the FBI what Johnny? I'm telling you. Where were you look at terrorists, Kevin Taylor? Said what me inciting for against Asantefo. You know that it's local terrorism. And it's against the laws of US. He knows. So you remember US authorities for whom? A kwanya offers we incite people against other tribes. A kwanya offers which me threaten you can't drink water. Oh, dying. You will get them. That's the play muba. So this girl is not a medical doctor anywhere. She's a confident trickster. And we're duping Crofobebri. You better expose you as we move.
More fire.
We are not retreating. Opa said the money be amo fanyeme. Opa mo ko chime manko ku omo. Mopa amunko kuminuanom. Yambesa mu ye bia amunko ye. Enye mema sem. Menya ya madwe sem mema eye criminal. Ya exposing no. I will expose a criminal. And it's a nya sem ne yanka. Wo ka bintela sa wo dogana. Ne boa. Kwase to. Na dogana na ko bi ye fake medical doctor. Nya nka exposing no. Ayena adwanima yeso exposing na and we ya shawo ni ba wa weaponize sa sex nyoma no so when him say oka we ya shawo ni there is nothing you can do oka say okota ketekete a ejana na keteje ma yim kwete kire Ghana for so there is nothing you can do and he ridicules you in the eyes of the people but it is a way obi a ubu ho boro so na unsura na fe wadwa man una ne kontrem amen na wodi niam we enwura
pound for pound
fantini ba sie tabo no dokono etew awala enyim mpo enyim a ka gwan ataza odwan
kindergarten boy
Wobi ha de de yi besi adwuma ne nyina besi ya do bibia ase ya besaba na pound for pound exactly ya bema biwa na sansa na wajimi because onyimi ya wonim se nyoma we tetare woto na o ma boy we di wujimi and the guy is using her precisely wo de ya besaba
more fire
Wobi, oh yeah, general sign off.
Bye bye. Mummy Saturday, that's why.
Yeah, message. Yeah, message.